Hey guys, today I'm going to do an in-depth review of the 2014 Lexus LX 570. I decided to film this first part, which I don't usually do. It's not going to be a test drive, I'm just going to drive it to the place where I usually do the review. But I just want you guys to see how it is being in the driver's seat. It is really comfortable on the driver's seat. The ride is really smooth. I can tell it's going to be a really luxury smooth ride in this LX 570. It is going to be great for a long or short road trip inside the Lexus LX 570. The Lexus LX 570 is a full-size luxury SUV with seating for 8 passengers, sold by Lexus since 1996. 3 generations have been produced, all based heavily on the long-running Toyota Land Cruiser SUV. The LX 570 boasts a number of safety features, such as a highly rigid body structure with front and rear crumple zones, side impact door beams, a welded steel unibody shell combined with full-size steel reinforced ladder-type frame, impact dissipating upper interior trim, and a collapsible steering column. The LX 570 offers many features. The one I would like to mention today is the optional pre-collision system with dynamic radar cruise control, which is engineered to detect an imminent frontal collision, and while retracting the front seat's belt, it automatically prepares brake assist to help provide increased braking pressure the moment you step on the brake pedal. To help you maintain a preset following distance from the vehicle ahead, Dynamic Radar Cruise Control uses radar technology to sense the speed of any vehicle in front of you. If the vehicle gets too close to the vehicle ahead, the throttle is automatically reduced and the brakes are applied. As soon as the road ahead are clear, the vehicle returns to its preset speed. Up front, the LX features adaptive front lighting with high-intensity discharge low-beam headlamps with dynamic auto leveling. LED daytime running lights are also integrated into the headlamps. High-intensity retractable headlight washer, park assist, as well as the rounded integrated fog lamps are also built into the front bumper. And the new Lexus signature grille with built-in camera located right under the Lexus logo. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. Front ends look really aggressive with the new signature grille. This particular model comes with 20-inch double 5-spoke wheels with liquid graphite finish with 285/50 mud and snow tires. Behind the wheel is the set of 4 wheels power-assisted ventilated disc brake and the large brake caliper painted in silver for faster stopping. Also feature 4-channel multi-terrain anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, as well as brake assist. And here's the side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. On top is the sunroof that can be tilted up for ventilation or slide out for an open air feeling. And the double aluminum roof rails. Rear wheels are also 20 inches and comes with internally ventilated disc brake. And here's the running boards with added illuminations. To the back, you see the pair of LED tail lamps. Integrated into the tail lamp is the LED brake lamps as well as the turn signal lamp. At the bottom, under the bumper, is the single exhaust tip, and there is a towing hitch with 7,000 pounds of towing capacity. Park assists are also built into the rear bumper. And here's the rear wheel camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. On top is the roof spoiler, as well as the third LED brake light. Okay, on the remote I have the lock, unlock, trunk release, as well as the panic buttons and the Lexus logo on the back. The car does come equipped with smart access key system, so with the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as silver lining metallic, featuring parchment semi-aniline leather interior with mahogany wood trims all around. Great color combinations. It goes really well together. Okay, now let's jump into the driver's seat and start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the LX570 have to offer. Under the hood is a 5.7 liter V8 engine, 4 cam, 4 valve per cylinder, with dual variable valve timing with intelligence, 6-speed sequential shift automatic electronically controlled transmission, full-time 4-wheel drive with torsion limited slip center differential with manual locking feature, pushing out 383 horsepower and 403 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in 7.5 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 137 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 12 city, 17 highway, and 14 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel with mahogany wood trims, featuring 3-position memory seating. All 4 windows are fully automatic. There you have the door storage compartment and Mark Levinson speaker. Lexus aluminum door seal. And there's the pedals. Here's a closer look at the seat. It is perforated, and both front seats does feature heated and ventilated options. The LX570 offers luxurious seating features such as 14-way driver seat, including dual-function lumbar and cushion extender, and 12-way front passenger seat, including lumbar, power seat, heated front seat, and height-adjustable headrest for both front seats. Include 3 preset memory for the seats, steering wheel, and outside mirrors. The 4-spoke design steering wheel is wrapped in leather with top and bottom section wood trims. Looks and feel really nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, hand-free wireless telephone, voice command, as well as most frequent use function in the vehicle. Here is a look at the gauge, and there you have the windshield wiper controlled. Over to the left you have your light controlled, as well as the turn signal light controlled. Steering wheel also feature power tilt and telescopic steering column. And here's your cruise control. Over to the left you have the headlight washer, folded side view mirror, and the side view mirror controlled. There's the driver side air vent, and here's the look to the dash. There you have the park assist button, as well as the multi-camera button, where you can check the surrounding of your vehicle from outside. There's the large multimedia touchscreen display, and very nice wood trim on the dash. This model comes with the optional Mark Levinson surround sound system that pushes out 450 watts total output and feature 19 speakers, 7.1 channel architecture, a DVD CD player featuring DVD video playback, and provides enough clarity for listener to identify the spatial position for each instrument at play. It also comes with the rear seat entertainment system that feature dual screen located on the back of the front headrest that allow the left and right rear passenger to enjoy separate entertainment. With 7-inch LCD screen located behind the driver and front passenger headrest, the system features a pair of wireless headphones and can be used as a DVD player, audio player, or game console via audio and video input jack. Here's the gearbox. Just pull down to get to reverse. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will display on the multimedia screen with guidance line. It will also move as you turn the wheel for a much easier backup. The 6-speed sequential shift transmission featuring 6 forward gears. The wider gear ratio spread of the LX transmission provides greater acceleration, efficiency, and seamless shifting. Craving for an even more engaging driving experience? A sequential shift feature allows you to select gears manually once it is in manual mode. Here you have the adaptive variable suspension control, the active height control system, and adaptive variable suspension system on the LX combined to automatically raise the vehicle height up to by 3 inches and allow greater wheel articulation to better accommodate rough conditions. There's your parking brake. Hand parking brake. Here's the cool box that mounted on the center console that comes with the luxury package. The available cool box is neatly integrated into the front console under the center armrest. It will help keep your beverages and other items nicely chilled. Glove box compartment. And here is another look at the front seat. On top you have the SOS emergency roadside assistance and the tilt, one touch tilt, sunroof, one touch open and close. Like I mentioned before, the sunroof can be tilted up for ventilation or slide out for an open air feeling. Light controlled. Sunglasses holder. Here you have the 3-button universal garage door opener, sun visor mirror with a card holder, and you have the extra one right there. Alright, now let's check out the second row seat. It does offer seating for 3 in the second row and does offer 60-40 split folded options. Looks pretty spacious in the second row. And here's the look to the third row seating. Look like it has seating for 2 or 3, maybe 3 is small children. I'll get in there and take a seat in the third row and see how it feels in the back for you. Here is the rear door panel with the ashtray. Windows are fully automatic, and the storage compartment at the bottom. Alright, let's jump into the seat and see how it feels. But first, let me show you the look to the front cabin. Looks very luxurious. Here's the look to the sunroof from the rear. Down here you have the double air vent and a full climate control for the rear seat. Rear seats also offer heated options. Down here you have the audio video jack and the volume controlled. There's the 12-volt power outlet. Rear seat is very comfortable. Seat is well padded. I'm 5'8" and I still have extra room for my leg. So for a taller individual, you'll be okay in the back in the second row seat. There you have the light controlled. Right in the middle you have the armrest for the second row passenger with dual cup holder and a storage compartment. Okay, now I will jump into the third row seat and see how I feel in the back. Alright, leg room is very limited in the back and it is very high sitting on the third row, so headroom and leg room will be limited. Although I said that third row is limited in headrooms and leg rooms, an average size adult could still be fitted in the back only for a short road trip. For a longer road trip, it is recommended to only put small kids in the back for best comfort. Okay, to get out, just pull the lever located behind under the second row, push it up and get out. Okay, just push it down hard to put it back into its original positions. Now let's pop the trunk. One touch to open the trunk. Okay, with both the third row and second row seats up, this is how much cargo space you will get. But the third row and second row can always be folded up, folded down to get an extra cargo space. There you have the electronic seat folding options. One push of a button, the seat will fold down for you. The third row can be folded up 50 and 50 split. Third row seat also has a negative impact on cargo capacity because it folds up against the side wall instead of down into the floor. As a result, the LX570 offers 41 cubic feet of cargo space with third row seats folded up and 83 cubic feet of cargo space with all rear seats folded. That's including the second row seat. One touch close. Gas cap is located on the driver's side and holds approximately 24.6 gallons of fuel. It does require premium unleaded fuel only. Overall, the Lexus LX570 is a top-of-the-line luxury SUV for the Lexus brand. Second row seating is roomy enough to accommodate mostly any size adult. The interior features high-quality wood trims and great leather upholstery. It comes with the latest technology in the world and will also be a perfect SUV for family with a lot of children. Now let's jump into the front passenger seat and see how comfortable it is. It is very comfortable in the front passenger seat. Here is the look to the back once again. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2014 Lexus LX 570 review. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. And I'll see you guys next time.